Good Lord, honey. Yeah, I'd have been gone yesterday. Last week. I don't even know why you're still laying in that bed. I bet that her breath smells like two-thirds of Ohio right now. God, that's not so Beauty and the Beast. Alright, if you're the mom beside her, don't panic. She can still be saved. She's alright. Oh, I love this movie. So you're going to need a pound of Crisco oil. Then you're going to need some holy water. Not a lot, but preferably about this much. You might need a gun in case she tries to Ted Bundy your ass. You might have the Zombieland double tapper. 18 times. Shit.